Let's talk about item properties and details in Monday.com. So in Monday.com, item properties and details are essential elements that will help you organize and manage your work efficiently. So item properties are customizable attributes or fields that you can use to store specific information about your task, projects, or items. So onto the specific group that we have in here, you could see this specific item that we have in here that is named task 1. So onto the description, it is actually customizable attributes. As you can see in here, these are the different customizable attributes. So in other words, the item properties are actually the other columns that is related to this specific item. So onto here, we have the person, the status, the date, and the timeline for that. So you could update the informations for this to update the item properties. So on the other hand, we have here the details. So details provide a comprehensive view of an item, including its properties, updates, and attachments. So together, this will allow you to centralize and access important information easily. And for us to be able to view the details, you'll just need to simply click onto the specific item that you want to add the details in. And then right after, this thing will pop up onto your screen. So we have here the option to rename it. Just simply click onto that one. And this is also the button where you could add in some team members for this. And then the three dots in here will help you manage your subscriber, add in an email preference, such as instant email or no email, export it to Excel, copy the item link, archive this, or delete the specific item. So as you can see, there are three tabs for this one. Let's start off updates. So you could actually write in an update for that specific item. So we could try to add it in here that you're currently working on. So let's add in working. So here onto the upper part of it, you could see the different format, the bold, italic, underline, the strike through, text color, size, numbers, bullets, table, link, align, line, RTL and LTR, and then a checklist. So you can add in the specific things onto this update. You could also add in files, GIF, emoji, and mention. And if you want to add it, just simply click onto update. And if you could see this note in here, it write updates via email. So if you will click onto this, you'll just need to add in the email and it will be sent out to you onto your email address. So if you click these three dots in here, this option, you could pin this update to the top, copy the link onto this to update, unfollow this conversation, edit the update, delete the update for everyone, or you could bookmark this update to inbox. Now let's head on to the other view in here, which is files. So this is actually the part where you can upload, comment, and review all files in this item to easily collaborate in context. For you to be able to add in a file, simply click onto this add file button in here. Then right after, you have the option to see the different files that you want to add in here onto your device or desktop. So you could also utilize the search bar option to search for files, and you could also take a look onto the files in grid format or onto list. So there is option for you to download the files as well if you have something added in here. And there is also a simpler way to add in a file, just drag and drop it in here. Then right after, we have here the activity log. So this activity log, you'd be able to see the different activities that has happened onto the specific task. So as you can see, 14 minutes ago, we have updated the date from September 9 to September 4. We have updated the status from working on to stock. And you could also refresh this so that it would be updated. So you could also export this to Excel if you want to keep track onto the progress or to the activities that happened onto the specific item. So you could also see other activities in here, such as the integrations activity and the automations activity. So as you've noticed as well, there is a plus button in here to add in another view. So you could click onto that and you could boost your items with item views. So these item views will let you visualize and manage items in many different ways. For you to be able to do this, just simply click onto Go to Items View Center to edit a new item view onto your item details. So let's try to add this one out. And as you can see, it is automatically added onto your task item. And that's how item properties and details work onto Monday.com.